Today we are talking about the Jetboil Zip. The Zip is a tried and true classic, and it's based on Jetboil's original PCS design. The great thing about unregulated systems like the Zip is it harnesses every ounce of flux ring technology. And that means you get ultra efficiency and rapid boiling for 3-season performance. It weighs just 12 ounces, and you can actually store a 100-gram jet power can, the burner, and the fuel stabilizer in here. An adjustable 4,500 BTU burner and flux ring technology help keep the Zip super efficient. It'll boil 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. And one of these 100-gram jet power cans will let you boil up to 12 liters of water depending upon conditions. Now, match ignition also keeps the Zip super reliable and super simple. And what's match ignition? Well, you can also think of it as BYOB, bring your own Bic lighter. It comes with a 0.8 liter or 27 fluid ounce flux ring cooking cup and an insulated cozy. That makes it the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. It's also got all the features you'd expect from Jetboil, like a pour spout in the lid and then a bottom cover that actually doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl. So you've got everything you need to make a meal right here included with the Zip system. So all in all, the Zip is perfect for anybody looking for a lightweight and reliable cooking system that gives you everything you need and nothing you don't.
This is the TETON Sports introduction to the Outfitter XXL cot with pivot arm. The bed of the Outfitter XXL cot is made from a heavy-duty 600D poly canvas, and the high load-bearing steel S-leg design easily holds up to 600 pounds spread out evenly over the cot. It's high quality at an affordable price. This is a portable cot and comes in a durable side-load carrying bag with a shoulder strap. The new patented pivot arm makes setting up a breeze. Just put the pin into place and push down. The Outfitter XXL is part of our collection of outdoor gear, compatible with the Outfitter XXL camp pad, cot organizer, gun sleeve, and cot under storage, designed to give you the best base camp experience anywhere. The Outfitter XXL cot will give you a great night's sleep every time, and it also makes a great extra bed for guests. The Outfitter XXL cot with pivot arm, along with all TETON products, comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which means we've got you covered. We have an awesome customer service team based here in the US that's ready to get you fixed up and back outdoors. Thanks for watching, get outdoors, and enjoy life.
Hello, my name is Nels Larson. I'm with Slumberjack. We're here today to talk about the Roadhouse Tarp. This is an exciting new product for us. It's designed for the hunting and off-road marketplace. It's actually comes with 2 steel poles, one of which you see right here. They're Super Duty poles. It comes with 8 Super Duty stakes. As you can see, it provides sun and shelter for anyone camping near their vehicle or for off-road or overland enthusiasts. It's a huge structure, really, really strong. Has reinforcement on all the primary attachment points. You've got supplemental guy lines that come out the side for additional support and structure. And you have a unique and very simple vehicle connection system that works for most off-road vehicles. You've got a adjustable throw here that allows you to tighten and loosen it. And then you've got a connection system down here that easily grabs most wheels. Just make sure your brake's cool first. Tighten it up, you're good to go. So we've got 3 primary configurations. The first you see behind me, which is the A-frame with the vehicle. Second is the awning with 2 poles and the vehicle. And the third is the A-frame with 2 poles and no vehicle. In addition, like all tarps, you can be as creative as you want. There's just hundreds of different ways you can set this up. So get out there, explore, have fun.
This is the LifeStraw Go. It can go here, 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 every day and on your favorite adventures. You can fill it up with water from here, here, or here, and filter it on the go. Drinking water straight from these sources sounds risky. It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. The LifeStraw Go is available in 22-ounce and 1-liter sizes. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that trap bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. Then, an activated carbon filter absorbs chemicals like chlorine, herbicides, and pesticides for improved taste. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 26 gallons, so the detachable, replaceable filters allow you to use your bottle indefinitely. Carabiner included, this lightweight, durable, BPA-free Triton Classic bottle is the only bottle you'll need when you're on the go. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
Hey everybody, Scott here, and today I'm going to tell you about Camco's portable toilets. Camco's portable toilets are perfect for use when RVing, boating, camping, and many other recreational activities. They're compact, lightweight, and constructed of durable polymer. The top half features a 2.5-gallon flush tank with a removable cap and easy-to-use bellows-type flush. It's secured to the holding tank by 2 side latches. The holding tank has a slide valve that locks in odors and protects against leakage. Once detached from the flush tank, you can remove the cap for easy waste removal. The portable toilet is available in 2 sizes, one with a 5.3-gallon holding tank and one with a 2.6-gallon holding tank. So there you have it, Camco's portable toilets. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Setting up the utilitent and folding it back. Setting up the utilitent. 1. In order to set up the tent, first unpack it from its bag and hold it while still folded. 2. Unfold the tent. Note that the tent pops out upon opening, and it is therefore recommended to have it unfolded in open space or where no people or objects may be affected. 3. Lay open the tent on the ground. 4. Using one hand, lift one of the corners of the tent up while keeping the bottom part of the corner close to the ground with the other hand. The tent will automatically secure itself to its open shape. 5. All you need to do at this stage is pick up the tent and place it where you wish. Note, if the ground conditions require use of the stakes or sandbags included in the bag, you should attach the ropes used with these before setting it up. Folding up the utilitent. You can fold your utilitent following a few simple steps. Please note that the simple technique ensures that no use of force is required at any stage. First, bring the side poles of the tent together and fold them toward each other. Second, lay the tent on the ground and stand next to its broader side. Third, take hold of the sides of the tent and kind of fold it in two. Fourth, after ensuring that the tent floor and the tent walls have been brought together, switch your hold of the tent in such a way as to turn it from a bottom grip to an upper one. Fifth, turn the tent inward, creating with no special effort 2 circles. Continuing the movement, put the part you are holding with your left hand onto the tent frame lying on the floor, and then put on it the second part. Sixth, place the tent in its carrier bag, ensuring that the side with the mosquito net goes in first to avoid damage that may be caused to it by the zip fastener.